In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a progress bar. Enable progress bar, easiest. By the end, your Google form will show respondents exactly how far along they are, which helps set expectations and can improve completion rates, especially for longer forms. First, open your Google form. Make sure you're in edit mode so you can change its settings. This works best on a desktop or laptop for clarity, though the option also exists on mobile. Once you're in the form editor, look toward the top of the screen for the settings gear icon. It's typically in the upper area alongside other controls. Click that gear to open the form's settings panel. Inside settings, you'll see multiple sections. Go to the presentation tab. This area controls how the form looks and behaves for the person filling it out, including confirmation messaging and visual aids. In that presentation section, find the option labeled Show Progress Bar. Toggle this to On. Turning this on adds a simple, clear indicator to the bottom of each page a respondent sees. Here's an important note about how the progress bar works. It measures progress by sections, not by individual questions. That means if your form has several sections, the bar will move forward as respondents advance from one section to the next. If your form is a single section from start to finish, the bar will show full completion very quickly. For long forms, breaking content into logical sections helps the progress bar communicate meaningful milestones and reduces fatigue. After toggling the progress bar on, click Save. Saving applies the setting to this specific form. Each form has its own configuration, so if you're working across multiple forms, you'll want to enable the progress bar separately for each one. Once saved, the progress bar appears for your respondents on the live form at the bottom of the page, typically reflecting your theme color so it fits seamlessly with your design. A few helpful tips as you use this feature: concise section labels and a logical flow make the progress bar feel accurate and reassuring. If you ever change your mind, you can return to the same presentation tab and toggle the feature off. It's completely reversible. Also, if you update your theme colors, the progress bar will adapt automatically, keeping the visual style consistent without extra work. That's all there is to it. Open your form, head into Settings, choose Presentation, turn on Show Progress Bar, and save. With that quick adjustment, your respondents will always know where they are and what's left, making your form clearer, smoother, and more user-friendly.